just wanted to show you guys coupling on a tire. Pretty much, let's see if it catches it. So you see that uneven there? The up down looks almost look like fish skin. That's called coupling on it. Let me see. I think we can see it better there. Looks like a little mountainy. So that right there, if you have noise like a rough whoa going on when you're driving, especially when it comes to a stop, it sounds even louder. This could be not necessary as a wheel bearing. The tires could be your problem. Rotate it to the back and see if the noise goes away a little bit. And if it doesn't, it's the tire for sure. Like if the tires on the front in the back are the same, this one looks a little bit better. This one has a little bit. So we're gonna rotate them. We're doing the struts. This is the reason why for alignment and struts. So you got bad struts, you put new tires, you better replace your struts before the new tires, guys. And yeah, this should take care of your noise if it's not the wheel bearing. This is the front ones. Doesn't have, oh, this one's pretty bad too. I guess the only one that's not that bad is the one in the front left. So yeah, this is the problem with this car. It was like whoa. And coming to a stop, it gets louder. Wheels. Yep. All right, I'll see you guys. Take care. Stay busy.